Number 11 asks us to figure out which expression is equivalent to this, 5x squared minus 3y cubed to the second power. So we'll have to do a lot of algebra here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this so that I can use the distributive property. So squaring something is the same thing as multiplying it by itself. So let's see if we can work this out here. So 5x squared times 5x squared is 25x to the fourth. The biggest thing we got to be careful of in this problem is these exponents. Remember, when we multiply with exponents, we add them together. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So next up, we got 5x squared minus 3y cubed. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And since we've got x squared times y to the third, we're going to leave these exponents be since they are not the same base. If these were both x's, we would add them together like we did over here. But because they're different bases, we are not going to be combining their exponents in any fashion. So next term, we got minus 3y to the third times 5x squared. So we got minus 15 y cubed x squared. Then last term, we've got negative 3y to the third times negative 3y to the third. A negative times a negative will make this a positive. And y to the third, 3 times 3 is 9. Let's do that first. 9, and then we've got y to the third times y to the third. So we're going to add those exponents together. 3 plus 3 is 6. Alright, last thing we got to do is combine our like terms. To do that, we have to understand that x squared times y cubed is the same thing as y cubed times x squared. So these are, in fact, like terms. So we got 25x to the fourth minus 30x squared y cubed plus 9y to the sixth. And that is answer choice